Hey everyone, it's Patty. Welcome to a fall clean with me video. I wanted to share with you a essential oil blend that I have been diffusing for fall, and I really enjoy diffusing it, especially when I am cleaning. And I order all of my oils from Eden's Garden, and the diffuser is also from Eden's Garden. So the blend I've been using is about 4 to 5 drops of the sweet orange, 2 to 3 drops of lemon, 2 to 3 drops of clove, and 2 to 3 drops of nutmeg. I think it would be really great to add some cinnamon oil to it too, but I just don't have any at the time. But I think that would add a really nice touch to this fall blend. And I really enjoy diffusing oils, especially when I'm cleaning. I feel like it kind of gets me motivated to clean. So in this fall cleaning video, I'm going to be talking about a few of the cleaners I have been enjoying or I am trying for fall as well. So definitely stay tuned for that to hear my opinion on a few other cleaners I am trying out. So when I am trying to clean the entire house in a day, it usually is a full day event with all 3 of the kiddos. So what I normally do is I normally start in the living room and work my way and end in the kitchen, just because it's really hard to clean the kitchen with Ella. She tries to climb into the dishwasher and pulls everything out of our pantry. So I usually save that one for nighttime, or if she's like eating or occupied or something like that. But if she's going to be crawling around, I usually work my way through the house and leave that for last. I'm currently using like a cheapy $30 like little hand vacuum. Chris also got me like one of those robot vacuums for nighttime that's like links to the Alexa Echo, which I am really enjoying, but I definitely want to look into some cordless vacuums on a budget. So if you know of any that are less expensive but really good, definitely let me know in the comments down below. The homeschool / playroom space definitely gets messy throughout the day. This is where we spend a lot of our time, especially when we're homeschooling throughout the week, and this is also where the kids play a lot of the time. So it definitely is one of the messier rooms in our house. It also has become very challenging to be in this room because Ella, as you can see, gets into everything. So it's been really fun, to say the least. We interrupt this cleaning because I started rearranging stuff. I'm totally like if you give a mouse a cookie, if you start cleaning, you're gonna start rearranging stuff. So the chairs I normally have like right here in the center, between this like entryway and then the regular living room. But they always are like crooked and like because the kids play around and move them and stuff like that. So I don't mind them moving them, but I feel like they're always in the way. But I don't know if I like this. Like here's a better view of how that looks. I feel like the other way kind of divides the room a little bit better. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I normally have like that cube organizer that I had in the Goodwill challenge there. It like has the kids' shoes and like extra books that we use in school and stuff like that. So I moved that, but I don't know. Tell me what you guys like better. Should I leave it like this, or I'll show you again how I normally have it. The other way, like I said, I normally have the cube organizer there, so I would move it back. Yes. So I normally have the cube organizer there, and then the chairs there, and then the kids usually like to run back and forth here, so then they end up like in their way, so they push them that way anyways. Okay, just 1 second. So let me know, what do you guys think? Not from a practical perspective, but from like a visual perspective. What do you think is more pleasing to the eye? Like this or in the corner? So throughout the week, I normally just wipe around the table runner and like the centerpiece and all of that stuff. I don't remove it each night. And so when I went to remove it this night, I discovered a whole bunch of toys that my daughter was hiding under the table runner. So I thought that was funny that she put them under the table runner. We recently put up drop cloth curtains in the dining room. We are slowly trying to add curtains to each room. If you are on the fence and considering doing the DIY drop cloth curtains, I definitely recommend it. I still have to steam mine, but it just made the space look so pulled together, and it was so affordable and so easy to do, and it really blocks the sunlight like really well. We were able to take off our blinds and just have the curtains and have had no issues at all. I was so excited when I saw Mrs. Meyer's released a pumpkin scent. I am a huge fan of their apple cider scent. I stock up on it every single year and pretty much use it all the time. So I wanted to try the pumpkin scent cleaner and soap. I absolutely love the soap. I do not like the cleaner at all. It smells really bad. I don't know, to me the cleaner does not smell anything like the soap. The soap smells really pumpkin-y and sweet, and the cleaner smells like sour and weird. I don't know. I did not care for it at all. I would definitely say for the cleaner, definitely stick to the apple cider if you like that one. I am also trying out the baking soda scrub by Mrs. Meyer. I absolutely love this to clean the sink. It didn't smell super chemically, but I felt like it removed a lot of the residue from the sink, and I thought it was really helpful. I did add a couple drops of the clove and nutmeg essential oils just because it goes down into the garbage disposal, and when I turn it on, it gives it kind of like that fall scent, which I really enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and enjoyed seeing the cleaners and different scents I am enjoying for fall. Let me know in the comments down below, what are some cleaners, scents, oils, candles that you are enjoying. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.